Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. I was out in the wild and I vulture scooped some cards up here. I finally found something. It was a lone pack sitting there at Walgreens. I got a prime pack, which this has one hobby pack inside and one regular pack and one bonus card. So let's see if we can get maybe we can get a good hobby pack out of this thing. See if I can figure out how to open it. Wow, it came nice card. Corey Seager rookie card. It's not bad. Looks like it's in pretty good condition too. Looks like that's maybe, what is this, opening day or something? Or just regular tops. Wow, that's pretty cool. Corey Seager rookie card, not bad. See what packs we got. Oh, this is top series 1. So we got a pack of series 1 and we got some Donruss 2011. That's cool. I've never opened those, so let's open this Topps series 1 pack here. Trying to think, it's almost like this is like a fat pack almost. Got Jockstrap Peterson, Michael Brantley, Michael Lorenzen, Brad Keller, Kraken Jokes, Chicago Cubs. Got Javier Baez, Zach Godley, Brett Phillips. We got a Duke Schneider, Alexander Bogarts, Stars of the Game. That one's got a few scuffs on it. We got a Harrison Bader Gold Cup, Rice Hoskins. Mike Clevenger, Edwin Diaz, Jake Otto Rizzo, and Jack Flaherty, Future Stars. Alright, this other pack, alright, we got some 2011 Donruss. Brandon Parent, Aaron Westlake. So these are like prospects. Chris Hanna from back then. Oh, nice. We got an auto here. Corey Williams. I'm not sure who he is, but it's an on-card auto, sticker auto. Corey Williams. Out of 940. And there's a nice Albert Pujols card. Wow, that's cool. So that was definitely worth buying there. Not sure about this autograph, not sure who this guy is, but got a on-card auto here, or on It's a sticker auto. Corey Williams for Minnesota. Pretty cool, you guys. Thanks for tuning in.